My name is Bari Smith, and I'm addicted to mechanical keyboards. Yeah, whenever pretty much I can get my hands on one, I'm pretty much always aroused to mechanical keyboards. I'm absolutely terrified of regular keyboards. I think regular keyboards are absolutely disgusting. And my preference pretty much turned into an addiction at this point.
Oh, Jabari? I haven't talked to him since like 7 years ago. Feels like I lost my best friend, you know. We used to play outside every day, and like it used to be great and such, but now him and his fiance, that keyboard of his, I can't be around that. Even his Discord buddies hate him. I wouldn't know that, but I do.
And yeah, I've pretty much been addicted to mechanical keyboards for my entire life. Since I came out the womb, my first instinct was to grab a mechanical keyboard and pretty much just devour it. Like, I just can't stand regular keyboard. It just has to be mechanical. Like, if it's not mechanical, then I'm not using it. Because mechanical keyboards are literally my life. I pretty much like all types of keyboards. I like black keyboards, I like white keyboards. I even like Asian keyboards. Like I said, whatever keyboard I can get my hands on, and as long as it's mechanical, then I'm down. I'm down for it, you know what I'm saying? Even my family and friends are starting to neglect me, and they think it's pretty abnormal what I do. Like, it's obviously not normal, but you know, I just can't get enough of my mechanical keyboards. I even found a support group that has similar interests as me, and we pretty much talk about mechanical keyboards all the time. It's actually a subreddit, and we pretty much just send pictures of mechanical keyboards, you know, hot pictures of mechanical keyboards. And yeah, I finally found my support group. Also, I found my new religion. It's called mechanicalism. I've actually prayed to the mechanical gods a few times today. And yeah, that's pretty much my passion, and I just can't get enough of it. It's like, it's my life. Yeah, this is actually my fiance. Her name is Carol. We actually are trying to find a church right now that supports mechanicalism so that we can pray to the mechanical gods every day, and we can also have some fun while we're at it, you know? You know what I'm saying? And yeah, we're probably gonna have kids eventually. I'm trying to have a kid called Jimmy, a kid called Joe, and one Bari Jr. And they're all gonna be mechanically humanized.
Oh, me and him, we used to go far back, like since elementary school, but he's always had an interest in like computers and stuff. I thought he was just a nerd, but now I see that he really just likes typing, I guess. And if that's his thing, that's his thing, but it's just weird, to be honest.
Yeah, man, I met the dude at my uncle's bar mitzvah, and like we've been friends for like a month, but like, man, he's off the grid now. Like, at school, that's all the weird stuff he does with his computer. Like, I came over one day, the computer was just sticky. I don't even know what to do anymore. Like, it's sticky computer.
make sure you guys go ahead and hit that like button and hit that subscribe. The winner goes to James. He won the 4 cents from the last video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye! By the way, guys, I'm going to give away the money to him whenever he responds. So I will put that clip where I give him the money on Cash App in the next video. Bye, love you.